Because we didn't start
No,
anything.
sir.
Na? Good, good. Once we start the
Good
lecture,
afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Good afternoon. Once we start our lecture, then there will be lots of discussion. Then there will be lots of ambiguity. Then there will be lots of then confusion. Then we have to take extra classes to clear those confusions or misunderstanding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm telling from the beginning, do not try to learn the term, do not try to get good marks. Okay, marks never tell you your intelligence. So try to learn the topic so that that means average marks can also, that means one person is getting average marks, he or she can be a good student also. Okay, do not work for marks. Try to learn the topic or particular subject. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
let's
sir.
let's wait for another 3 minutes, then only we can start, because before the scheduled time it is not an ethical task.
Okay. Sir, I had to ask this thing. Do we have to make notes side by side?
Afternoon, sir.
In the class, if you want to, that means in the class normal what happen, whenever a teacher is teaching anything, you can make the note normally in the class. So same thing can be followed over here, or you can see my lecture video will be available. If taking the notes is required for you, you can take note. But thing is that
Okay,
finally
sir.
question will be given, you have to answer those questions, nobody will help you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
That's
From where we can get the video?
Yes, sir.
from in our group na, if you go to basic electronics group, so you go to, that means lots of students are discussing lots of things over here. So you scroll down, there are videos are available for 20 days or 25 days. I can see those videos right now. It is, you
So
can see
MS
it day
Team
by
group.
day. Yes, MS Team group. It is not, it will not
Okay,
be
sir.
available in WhatsApp group. WhatsApp is not an
Okay, sir.
official group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
can you show where we can find those
Okay,
videos?
sure. Okay, can you see my desktop? Can you see my window?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
can.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you go to, suppose
Yes,
this is
sir.
your MS Team window. Okay. Okay, this is your MS Team window. It is my window is visible at your side now. My
Yes,
window
sir.
is visible. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everything.
sir.
Now
Yes,
you
Yes,
sir.
sir.
choose your group.
yes,
Now
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
choose your
Yes,
group.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is our group. You click. This is our group. You click. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
then it is this present status where we are right now. So 16, the meeting has been started before the 16 minutes. So now you scroll down. That means not scroll down, scroll up. Okay, go up. Okay, you keep moving. Keep, go up, go up, go up. Now you can see video. Some 3-4 videos are available. Correct. Some 3-4 videos are available. Let me mute everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute everyone. Some videos are available. Okay, download, you download one by one. Okay, then you can see which one is essential. Okay, so in this way you can find the videos. Okay, and nothing else. So the doubt is clear now, how to find the video lectures.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Very good, very good. How many students? 107. We have, I think, nearly 150 students. Okay, so let's, how can I get the roll number? Okay, let's try to download the Where? Lots of students are here. 151 students. 151. Good. 120, 120, 120. Okay, it is 2:17. Now we can start our lecture in a formal way. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So you do not have to raise your hand. Okay. So you can speak if you want to speak anything, you can unmute your mic and you can say. Okay. So you do not have to raise your hand because it is difficult to
So am
communicate.
I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
good. Okay. Regarding the last class, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? If you need any repetitions, I can repeat.
No,
Is there-
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Somebody texted lots of things. So I am asking those person. So those who have texted regarding books or something, is there any doubt regarding books or anything else?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Somebody asked
So I
about
want to know we have, so excuse me.
yes.
So we have 4 classes in a week. We will have to attend all the classes.
The thing is that I do not know the rules and regulations. Okay, I believe there may
No,
be
no,
some.
sir. Physics sir told that one day will be off out of
Yes.
4 classes. So that's why I'm
No,
asking.
not it is not out of 4 class. You can it is one is off. The thing is that you have 3 class. You have the routine, na? I think routine is
Yes,
little
sir.
bit difficult. So you find TJ. Where is TJ? You will find TJ1. Okay, let me open this routine. Okay, then it will be easy. My window is visible, na? My window.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir. Visual.
Okay. Now, can you see this timetable?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now first you see how to make highlight. This one, P stands for theory, P stands for practical, TP. That means theory and practical. That means this syllabus. Okay, how to? That is the option. Screenshot. Just wait 1 minute.
Sir.
Just wait 1 minute. Okay. So first of all, it is TP. That means theory practical sequence. Okay. So this routine, this timetable belongs to theory practical sequence. That means in the before the first half, there will be, that means before the lunch, there will be theory, and after the lunch, there will be practical. Practical normally conducts for 3 hours, 3 classes. Okay, let me, it is recording or not? It is recording, okay. Okay, so but here we have to follow practical theory courses. So that means the second timetable, out of this second timetable, you have TJ slot 1, you have another
So your
TJ.
window is not. Yes,
My
sir.
window is not
It's
visible.
fine now.
Visible, sir.
It
Visible.
wasn't for a
Visual,
while.
sir, not visible.
There may be some internet discontinuity. Okay, so just wait for few seconds, then the window may come. Okay, so I'll be in slow. So TJ first class, that means Monday 1:15 to 2:10 first class. Yes.
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay. Then TJ2, the second class, that means 3:15 to 4:10. It is on Thursday, and today is Friday as per our scheduled class from 2:15 to 3:10. Okay. So that is the main thing. Clear? So we have 3 class as per
Sir,
TGS
that
slot.
SJ1.
It's okay.
Sir,
SJ1.
hello, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. SJ1 is tutorial. So
Yes.
physics sir told that that will be taken as a tutorial,
Hmm.
and so there are total 4 classes.
Hmm.
That's why
Yes.
I'm asking that all the classes will be taken.
Yes. For our
Okay, sir. Fine.
yes, I will also no. The thing is that you have to attend the TJ slot definitely. There is no that means you cannot skip any TJ slot. If you can skip, it is in your hand. If you want to learn, then you have to attend this class. Hmm. So if you want to learn, then you have to attend the class. And the thing about on Wednesday we should have some slot for tutorial so that we can practice mathematics or we can discuss something where there is some doubt. Now it is totally online and you are in first year. So first year, that means first year, first semester and second semester, the duration has been, that means reduced. So that's why we need more number of classes. The thing is that we can taught suppose 50% of that syllabus because as per our timetable. Okay, but thing is that after 5 years nobody will talk about what happened rest of the 50%. They will ask from the whole syllabus. So it is our duty, or obviously it is your responsibility also, so that means there should be some communications or understanding so that we can cover most of the syllabus. So we should utilize the tutorial classes also. Okay, so you can skip the tutorial class, don't worry, but thing is that it will be normally taken for extra classes so that we can discuss most of the mathematics, or so that we can discuss if any class has been missed, then we can take in the tutorial class. Okay, so I think we have to check the slot, which slot is corresponding to our for tutorial, no theory. Okay, so in Wednesday we should take one, we should fix one slot. So which slot? I think 11 to 12 will
The
be
second slot is R.
so second slot is your, so 11 to 12 I think SL1 we can fix so that we can discuss some that means undiscussed topic, or we can discuss some mathematics or something like that. Okay, or we can solve some numerical problems, because lots of topics are there where we have to solve lots of problems. Okay, and if we want to conduct any exam or something like that, so that we can utilize these tutorial classes. Because
Sir,
we have
SL1 is
limited
for
time.
maths.
Okay,
Sir,
then we can
SL1
take,
is, sir, SJ1 is electronics.
okay, then SJ1, then fix the
Yes, sir.
SJ1. Okay,
9 to
because
9:45.
no, we
Yes,
have
sir.
to
9 to 9:55 SJ1.
yes,
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 sir.
yes. Then we can take the class from 9 to 9:55. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have to come early. It's okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So it is our duty. So we should come and we can learn the topic. Okay. So
Yes,
in
sir.
this way, if we consider the Wednesday's class SJ1, then only we will get 4 class in a week. Otherwise, we normally have 3 classes in a week: TJ1, TJ2, and TJ3. Okay. So SJ1 is also will also be taken effectively because we have reduced time. That's why. Okay, it is a general timetable. It is applicable for first year to MTech, all the students. That means BTech and MTech or integrated students. This is a central timetable. Okay, although it is given that you can see point number 9, no theory will be taught here, only tutorial. But I believe as we have limited time, we should also utilize this tutorial class for solving lots of numerical problem. Okay, otherwise
Of course, sir.
what will happen, you may get less time. Otherwise we have to take extra class after, what should I say, after 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. That is the main issue.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's start. Let's close this window. Okay, 134. Now we can take attendance. Download attendance. Where is download attendance? I think attendance has been downloaded. Let me check. Okay, today is.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, what is your issue?
Sir, your profile is showing only, sir. Nothing, no screen is viewed.
So you cannot see my window?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So rest
Yes,
of
sir,
the
I can see.
yes,
Sir,
yes,
we
there,
can
Yes,
see
sir.
this
Yes, sir. Yes,
proper
We
sir.
can
image.
see that.
there may be
Yes, sir.
yes,
Sir,
not
there
Clearly
might be some
see.
internet problem.
I can
no,
see.
We
yes,
can see
We
you.
can see,
I
sir.
can also see.
There might be some internet problem.
yes, yes,
Sir,
yes,
they
yes.
have to click on your profile, na?
Yes, so they have to click there.
Sir, they have to click on your
In the
profile.
bar below, there is
My profile, I do
another.
not know.
Sir, they have to.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Hmm.
They have to click the screen option because it is there.
So let me check whether the attendance has come or not. Lots of attendance has come.
Sir,
Okay,
visible.
okay, okay, okay. Now we can start our class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Lecture. Attendance.
Sir, then what is the final timetable of Wednesday, sir?
For which subject?
Sir, you are talking about 4 classes in a week, na?
Yes, I discuss all those things. On which date we have to we have to take the class. Just few minutes earlier. You missed that
Yes,
one. Oh, again we have to repeat.
No,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Now
it's
can you,
available in ICS already.
Sir,
yes,
in
I know.
ICS it is
Yes, I
given
know
in
it is
simple
available,
way.
but the thing is that some students cannot find because it is the first year, na. If you are in the second year, so you
Okay,
can
sir.
be mastered. So that's why it is in the first 1 or 2 classes, or maybe maximum 3, 4 classes, there will be some kind of this kind of discontinuity. So don't worry. Okay. So my first class will be on Monday, for every Monday TJ slot, that is TJ1. Okay, can we mark this highlight? Let me check whether I can mark this or not. Okay, rectangle box, rectangle tool, circle this one. Okay. Now, can you see this one? Is it visible? TJ1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
TJ2
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, sir.
and
Yes, sir. It is
TJ3
visible.
and TJ3. We
Yes,
have
sir.
3 classes as per our central timetable. So you should not skip any one, that means any classes. It is my suggestion.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
as you are taking class from the home, so I believe everybody can be available. Okay. So this is compulsory. Okay. As we have limited time, so we can also utilize this SG slot for learning lots of numerical problems. Okay. Tutorial is not mandatory because it is your 3 credit course, so tutorial is not required. But thing is that as you are in the first semester, so your total duration of classes has been reduced due to COVID-19 pandemic. So that's why we should utilize these Wednesday's tutorial classes also, so that we can cover most of the syllabus, because after 5 years or 6 years, or when you are graduating, okay, nobody will bother about COVID-19. Okay, they will ask from the whole subject. If we skip any topic, so it will be negative in your future. It will create a negative effect in future. So that's why we should utilize this slot also. So do not give this slot to any other teacher. So SJ1 is fixed for us. Okay. So all things
Sir,
are going
no
to
one
be
can take it. It's like
yes.
TJ, it's like
Yes.
SJ.
Yes. So that's why. So it is, so SG is our, so we can take the class. That means we can also utilize this Wednesday slot. Okay. So is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear at your end?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Let me close this one. Let me save. Let's save. It is save or not? Let me check. Yes, it is save. Okay. Now let's start today's class, lecture 1. I should also close this one. Also paint. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Now So let's start this class formally. So this is our first class. So yesterday I have taken also one class, but this is our first technical class. So let's start. So I am Dr. Sudipto Maiti. I belongs to okay, what happened? Marking I have to on. I am Dr. Sudipto Maiti. Okay, I belongs from, that means I am from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Okay, so let's start. In the yesterday we have discussed our syllabus, so we are skipping that part. Okay, then we have also discussed those books. Clear? Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now,
There is no
somebody-
doubt, sir.
Yes, somebody texted me. So, sir, I have Boyle State book. Is it okay? Yes, Boyle State is also good book, but Sidra Smith is much better. Boyle State is very simple. I'm not telling this book is good or bad in a true sense. The thing is that we should choose always best one. Okay, all books are good, but out of several good books, we have one or two best books. Okay, so Sidra Smith is excellent book. Okay, so lots of things are there in details. If in Boyle State we can solve lots of problem. For learning numerical, Boyle State is good, but to learn the topic in details in terms of from a theoretical point of view, so Sidra Smith is excellent book. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, due to some
Yes,
issues,
yes,
I
sir.
was not able to attend the yesterday class.
Okay, so what is the issue then?
Sir, I don't know about the books and all.
Yes, you can see my window now.
Yes, sir, me also.
Yes, you can see this window now. I have
Yes,
opened
sir.
this site. Yes, those books are available now. The name of the books are available.
Okay, sir, so we have to buy all this. All
You
these
can
books.
buy, yes, you can buy all those books, or you can collect from your seniors, or you can purchase.
Okay, sir.
You can purchase old, that means used copy also. Okay, let me
sir.
share the T
Sir,
code
is
again.
this book available in library?
All books are available. Can you come in our library?
No, sir, means online PDF.
No, sir. Online.
How would I know? You check na.
Okay, sir.
So I have also written PDF in the WhatsApp group. The thing is that I have to request the student to join this group. Join this group. Okay. So I do not know whether PDF is available or not. I am requesting to all my dear students, do not try to read from PDF. You are giving lots of money to learn the that means for the admission. So you give another 2,000 per semester, and you purchase all the books for all subjects. So that if you learn from any topic from a hard copy, that will be best. I believe in your 10+2, that means higher secondary level, nobody has, that means taught any subject from that means PDF soft copy. We normally use the soft copy for reference purpose, not to learn any topic in details. Even those who are doing PhD under my guidance, I told them you have to that means learn the topic from hard copy. If you do not have hard copy, do not talk to me. Okay, because without hard copy we cannot learn anything. Okay, it is my request, but depends on you whether you will purchase or not. Okay, but you have to consult those books whenever you face any difficulty. Okay, so
So
is
we
the
should
doubt
buy
clear?
one of the three books, no?
Not one of the three books. The thing is that yesterday I discussed, we as per our syllabus we have two major topics. We have three major topics. So most of the topics will be covered from Sidra Smith microelectronics, and for digital parts we have to consult computer design. Other things are also there, like basics of communications. If those are required, then we will talk about the name of the corresponding book. Okay, the book written by Malvino Leach, it is also an excellent book. Okay, but details may not be available. If I am learning so how to solve a particular problem, the solutions are given, but step by step solution may not be available, or you may face difficulty. But when we compared with Maurice Mano and Malvino Leach, then we found lots of steps are given in Maurice Mano's book. So that's why we preferred this book. Okay. So at least two books are compulsory. Purchase Sidra Smith and Maurice Mano Okay, if you want to purchase Malvino Leach, obviously you can purchase. Okay, there is no issue. You can purchase always. Okay, so
Sir, can you please show us the syllabus once more?
it's the syllabus is available in your NITRIS portal. That means in website, na. I discussed all those things yesterday. If I discuss again the same thing syllabus, then we cannot move. That means ahead. Huh?
Okay, sorry, sir. I'm absent that time. So sorry.
Okay. Let me show once. This is the syllabus, analog electronics. We have diode, we have transistors. Okay, and for this to learn those topic, we need Cedar Smith's books. Okay, so this thing is getting recorded. You can that means you can also consult the recorded lecture also later. And
Okay,
in
sir,
the module 2, we have digital circuits. Number systems are there, flip-flops are there, then registers, counters are there. So those things will be covered from digital part, and for digital parts we prefer Maurice Mano's books. Okay, for the third module we have operational amplifier that can be found from that means in Cedar Smith's books also. Then we have the application of operational amplifier for different sections. Like suppose if we want to define one kind of circuit where voltage has to be followed, or where if we give two input, the output will be summation of two input voltage. So summar. If we want to give two voltage and the output should be subtraction between A and B. So it is a differential, that means difference amplifier. So in this way we can build different kind of circuit using op-amp. So those kind of applications can also be found in Cedar Smith. If we require anything extra, we will provide the we will provide the corresponding required material. Okay. So in the module 3, we have also lots of sensors and introductions of communications. The thing is that if we get time, we will also cover those things. But most of the time, what happened? The syllabus is huge. We hardly cover very basics of those things. So as we have, as I told several times, so our focus will be mainly module 1, module 2, and module 3's first few parts. Okay. So let's start today's class. Okay, up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
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 Now,
No, sir.
No, sir.
now you have consulted, you have, I believe, lots of students have computer architecture or computer applications in their 10+2 courses. Okay, the thing is that so it may be common. So in normal, we are not talking about computer. For any computational circuit, more precisely any digital computational circuit. Why the term is digital? I will come after 2-3 minutes. Okay, any digital computational circuit, we normally give some kind of input. That is the input part. And based on the input, some kind of mathematical manipulations are being done inside this circuitry. In this circuitry, the mathematical manipulations are done. Then we normally get output. Okay, that is the normal block diagram or general block diagram of any computational circuit which is normally operated in the terms of digital. You can also make the analog circuit also in the same form, but here we normally talk about digital computer. Why? I will come after a few minutes. Why normally we are focusing on digital? Okay. So in the main part where lots of operations are done, okay, there may be some arithmetic operations or logic operations. Arithmetic or logic doesn't matter. Okay. So those operation has to be done. Suppose I want to find 1 plus 2. So it is a arithmetic operation. The answer should be 3. Now I am giving 1 and I am giving 2. Output should be 3 over here. Okay. This 1 plus 2, this 1 plus 2 has to be performed in this circuit. Okay. Now the thing is that this circuit is designed in such a way, the intermediate data, that means after performing 1 plus 2, the intermediate data is 3. Okay, it is not the output, final output. Now it is intermediate data. This intermediate data is normally is normally stored in the memory initially. Okay, when it is stored, okay, now when it is generated after the generations of 3, it is stored in the memory location. Okay, now the operation, now the operation, arithmetic operation has been performed. Now I have to display, because what kind of instructions I have given? I have given you have to add 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is performed and the resultant has been stored in the memory location for a time being. Then once the mathematical calculations or mathematical operation has been performed and it is stored, then immediate another instructions will be there. It is already given. Okay, will be there. Then the output will be brought from the memory to output locations. So then there will be display of 3. So what happened? So I am giving 1 and 2 and I am giving instruction add them. So addition, add them. Then we are getting output at the output part, 3 as output. So it is a normal building block diagram. So we have the input part, we have output part, we have some arithmetic circuits or logical circuit to perform the tasks depending on our input signal or instructions, depending on our instruction. Okay, depending on our instructions. Now if we want to save any kind of intermediate data, suppose instead of 1 to 3 I have given, I want to find 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So what happened? Suppose initially it is performing, initially it is performing 2 plus 4, initially it is performing, then the resultant is 6. So now it will be stored, now 6 will be stored over here initially. Then this operation is over and the resultant is 6. Then it will come 1 plus 6, 1 by 1. Then 1 plus 6, the resultant will be 7. Okay. Now all those kind of operations will be performed in the arithmetic unit or logic unit. Then the 7
Sir, I have a question.
Sorry?
Sir, I have a question. There is no storage of answer. There is no output, sir?
No, output will be there, na? Just wait. What is my operation? I want to find 1 plus 2 plus 3. In earlier, I gave one example where 1 plus 2 was there. Now I have given another example where I have to find 1 plus 2 plus 4. So first,
sir, I'm asking that there is no answer in the memory. There is no output. I'm asking that.
If there is no memory, then there will be no output. You are asking that thing?
Yes, sir.
No. The thing is that there should be always some kind of memory. Always. I'm not talking about how many. That means what is your that means size of your hard disks. We are not talking about hard disks. We are talking about in terms of memory, means random access memory, RAM. So
sir, when we are asking the question, there is no answer in the memory. I'm saying that.
What is your query?
When we are asking a question to a computer, then there is no answer in the memory, and the output is.
Okay, when we are asking any question to the computer, then that means we are giving some kind of instructions. Okay, so depending on instructions, the computer should should generate the final result. Okay, so suppose what here we are trying to find 1 plus 2 plus 4. The final result should be 7. Here I am giving 1, then I am giving 2, and I am giving 4, and I am giving add all those 3 terms. Final result should be 7. The thing is that now whatever the intermediate manipulation has been performed by the computer, if any data is required to store, those data has to be stored in the memory location. Okay, those data has to be stored in the memory location. That will never stored in the output section. Output is only a display part. There should not be any memory. Memory normally considered in the internal part. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have given the inputs. Okay. What is the query?
So whether the instruction will be stored in the memory or not?
Obviously, if we are giving any instruction, there should be some storing kind of device, no? That is the architecture will be there. Okay.
the instruction that will be that also store in the memory, or
Yes,
it
no,
will
no,
directly
that will,
perform the
we,
arithmetic operation?
the thing is that here we, in memory, whatever we are showing in terms of the memory, in true sense, we are taking to store intermediate data. If we give any instructions, that will be stored in the internal memory, and that will be, and that is the part of arithmetic part. It should have another memory to execute all those instructions. Those instructions will not be stored here. This memory is to, in true sense, is normally is used to show the intermediate data. Okay, is normally used to store the intermediate data. The instructions
Sir,
will be stored in the program counter. Okay, not here.
sir, I
It is
have
a
a
basic
doubt.
another block
memory
diagram.
where the sir,
It is a
there is
basic
another
block
another Sir, when there are
Yes, sir.
three inputs, sir, either we will get three kinds of outputs. So, will all the three outputs be saved in the memory, or only the final result, means 7 will be stored in the memory?
First of all, you have to understand what is the basic block diagram. Don't that means mix those things with other circuit. It is a basic that means block diagram of a digital computer. If you now here I should have input part and I should get output part. And if we give any kind of instructions, those instructions has to be manipulated in the logic unit or arithmetic unit. Okay, that is the normal basic thing. So three part. Is there any doubt? Input, output, and arithmetic logic. Do not focus on memory.
No,
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now come
no,
to
sir.
memory.
This in
Here,
control unit.
here the
No, sir.
memory. Yes. Here the memories means during the arithmetic operations or logic operations, if any data is generated and which has to be used for next operation, those data will be stored in memory. Okay, but there to store the instruction, those kind of storing devices are already in another place. It normally comes under arithmetic logic unit. There is another counter is there, some counter is there, program counter. In the program counter, those instructions are being stored. Okay, so this memory and this memory are totally different. Suppose I'm giving you simple example. Okay, what is the query?
Can I ask something?
Yes.
Sir, actually, you said if we had a fast operation, that is 2 plus 4 equals to 6.
Yes.
And now we do the second operation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is a mix operation. So now you are saying that from what we had done previously, that is 2 plus 4, and what we are doing now, that is 2 plus 4, it is what मतलब इसमें क्या होता है?
The thing is that I have given three input, 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. 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 Let me just wait 1 minute. Just let me. Okay. I have given 1, 2, and 4. So I want to perform addition. It is my simple objective. I have given that instructions. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this,
No,
is there any
sir.
doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Now what happened? You forget about mixed operation or simple or complex operations. Forget. Do not focus on. Do not think in complex way. Now, as we have one kind of operations, one sign, and we have another sign, two sign. So individually, one by one, it will perform. Okay. In most of the cases, from right to left, we normally move. So that's why it will perform 2 plus 4 first. So 2 plus 4 means 6. Correct? Now it has performed only one task, only one addition. So 6 has to be stored somewhere. Now it cannot stored. 6 cannot be stored in the output, because if we store in the output, the user will see 6 as output. So my answer will be wrong. So what will happen?
Yes.
The control system, I didn't discuss about control. The control system will store this 6, that is the intermediate data, in the memory for temporary purpose. Okay. Then
Yes.
1 will come, then again this positive sign will come, then plus. So 1 plus 6, now it will be performed. Now the final result will be 6. Okay. Now again 6 has been removed, so again 7. So now we have 7. Now the computer will again, or the system will again see whether is there any other operations or not. Is there any other operation? So only two operation was there. That means were there only two additions. So now there is no extra operations or something like that. So now the computer, that means control system, will stop this process. Okay. So there will be no operation on, that means using arithmetic logic unit. So then the control system will give this signal. So last memory location is, that means memory, that means 7 has been stored in the memory. Then the control system will give the instruction total operations has been solved. Now we can give the output. So this 7 will come as a output. Okay, it is simple operations. Do not mix with complex architecture. In your computer applications, you might have, or in computer architecture subject, you might have discussed lots of topic in details. It is a basic. For if you focus on computer, or if you focus on calculator, or if you focus on printer, those kind of operations are normally done. It is very basic. Okay, clear? Is there any doubt?
I have a question.
Sure, sir.
Hello.
Hello. What is the question?
Sir, why is there an arrow from arithmetic logic unit to output?
Output is that we can also give any output directly if we do not have to store any intermediate data. See, if we need to store any intermediate data, then memory is used. Okay. Otherwise, it will directly go to output. Okay, sir. The thing is that whether it will go to output or memory, that is done by the control part, control system. And you can see control system has also the control on the input part. Okay, suppose I have on my computer. Okay, that means my whole system is on, so control system is on. Then if I give any input using keyboard, then it will take input. Okay, so control unit is giving the control, that means it's controlling the input part. Now suppose my computer is in off state, so there is no power in the computer. Now so control system is off, so it is off. So in this case, what will happen? If I give the input from keyboard, there will be no input because my control system is off now. So that's why. Okay, is there any doubt?
Sir, what is control signals and data of information, sir?
Data information, it is basic now. You try to understand. I am giving some input signal. Okay, the input signal, depending on our instruction, can go to directly arithmetic circuit, or it can go directly memory. Suppose I have one MP3 song. Okay, so if I give the instructions save it, if I give the instruction save it, so the MP3 song will move from input to memory location directly. It will never go to memory location. Sorry, arithmetic logic unit location. So in this way, then if I give instructions play or display, then the MP3 song will go to output portion. Okay, so depending on data or information means whatever we are giving from the input part. So it is a flow of input. Okay, that's why. Now control signal is normally defined by this signal which is generated from the control part. Okay, depending on the input signal, like here positive sign, that means plus sign, addition. So those are instructions. So then the control unit gives the control signal. Okay, there is another operation, perform this. There is another that means operation, perform this. Clear? Can we move to next slide, or is there still any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if there is only one sign,
If there is only,
if there is only one sign, it means if there is only 1 plus 3, then will anything stored in the memory?
okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay, now suppose I have only 1 plus 3. Okay, now what is, now after 1 plus 3, the arithmetic logic unit has generated 4. Okay, clear? So now what happened? It can also go directly output part, but for the safest portion, it should be stored. It normally, not most of the cases, we can store in the memory location for temporary purpose. Then the control system will see whether is there any extra operation is left or not. Okay, now After generating 4, control system find there is no other extra operation, correct? So then the control system will send this 4 to output part. So instead of directly moving from this portion to this portion, it should go to first memory through the control part. Then control system will send this memory location to output part, because we should need find, that means correct result. Okay, step by step. Let me give one example. Let me give one example. Have you heard about NASA? Anybody heard about NASA?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We heard.
Yes, sir, we have.
Okay. So I am giving one example, practical example. Exact date I forgot. It must be 1973, some kind of year. Okay. So they have instruction. I, comma 1 3. What does it mean? I equal to 1 3. What does it mean? It is 1 3 or 13. It is 1 3 or 13.
13 maybe.
Yes, it is 1 3 or 13. So somebody can say 13 or somebody can say 1 3. But thing is that the computer doesn't have any knowledge.
सर ये तो काउंटर है.
Did I talk about counter? So whenever we will discuss the counter, then you can I have written simple I equal to 1 3, and I am telling one story, a real story which happened in NASA. Okay, in 1973. Do not focus on counter register. You have the knowledge on 10+2. So, but still we are recapitulating all those things. Okay, so it is I equal to 13 or 1 3. The thing is that computer doesn't have any knowledge. So computer can take it as a I equal to 1, then 3, or it can take 13 directly. The thing is that in 1973 or 79, I exactly forgot the year. Okay, it is a real story of NASA. They launched the rocket or satellite, I think rocket or satellite. So what happened? So it was written I equal to 1 3. So the computer took I equal to 13. Computer took I equal to 13. So the loop has been run using I equal to 13. And after giving the signal, the rocket has launched. Then after 10 seconds, it has crashed. The thing is that the actual signal was I equal to 1, 3. 1, 3. So instruction was it should go I equal to 1, then it will go I equal to 2, then it will go I equal to 3. In this way, it should move. So they forgot to give comma in the computer. So input signal, they forgot to give comma. So because of the single comma, so if we use normal pen, it will that will cost less than 0.1 paisa. Okay, giving one single comma. So what happened? The whole rocket was, that means damaged, was crashed. So that's why we should give the instructions very clearly. So when I am giving 1 plus 3, it should be 4, or when we are giving 1 plus 2 plus 3, then the computer doesn't know whether they should give the output after performing 1 plus 2, or they should perform 1 plus 2 plus 3. So for safe side, it is always better to store all those output data generated by arithmetic logic unit in the memory location for the time being, for temporary purpose. Then the control unit will check whether any remaining manipulations or mathematical operations or logical operations are left or not. If this is left, if any operations is left, then it will be performed. Again, the arithmetic or logic unit will perform. The data will be stored in the memory. Then in the process is repetitive. When the control system finds there is no operations is left, then control unit sends the memory to output. So finally, what happens? 7 will move from memory to output portion. So in this way, we normally get output. So it is a safe side. You can directly display 7 to directly from arithmetic logic unit to output. Okay, but it is the safest way. Okay, it may take 1 second extra, but you will get always correct result.
Means after every operation, something will be stored in the memory.
Yes, something will be stored in the memory for temporary purpose. Okay.
Yeah, so then
And
the
for
control will decide whether any other operation is required or not.
Required or not. If any other input operations are not left, any other given input operations are not left, then the temporarily stored data or something will be displayed in the output portion.
Output.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Sir?
And those, bolo.
Sir, is it always like from right to left operation in case we
No,
have more
most
than
of
one
the
operations?
You can have left to right to left, doesn't matter. Okay, in different we have lots of kind of in software. We after learning number system, if we know number system, then based on number system, lots of software has been defined, where some software has been defined which operates from right to left. Okay, they move from right to left. So if we perform 1 plus 2 plus 3, they will move from, they will they will find from 2 plus 3, then 5 result, then 1 plus 5, then 6 result. And there may be some software which can perform one from left to right. It depends on the software. Okay. And
Sir, I mean if there is sir, I mean if there is more than one operation like divide into everything, then the side change that direction might affect the answer.
Suppose this is my operation. Is it visible? My operation is visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay? Now,
Yes.
okay. Let me clear these things, and I am doing. Suppose I am writing one operations. 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 1. Okay. Suppose I am going left to right. Left to right. Okay.
Choice.
So I am going left to right. So what will happen? This is 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 1. Then what happened? There is multiplication. So it should operate first, but again it will encounter positive, that means plus sign. So it will operate on 7.
7.
So then 7 plus, then 3 plus 21. So 24.
24.
Correct? 24.
Yes, sir.
Now I am moving from right to left. Right to left. Okay.
True.
Now, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 1. Right to left. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 into how much? 7?
7.
So 1 plus 2 plus 21. So 1 plus 23 equal to 24.
24.
Okay. So it doesn't matter whether you move from left to right or right to left, because we have already given the preference, which operation has to be performed earlier. In mathematics, I believe you have learned about BODMAS or some rules based on first bracket
Yes, sir.
portion has to be operated first, then divisions, then multiplications. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that means
So
computer
Yes,
operates with BODMAS rule.
No. The thing is that I am telling it is basic rules by which the whole scientist has defined. Whole scientist has defined how, that means which preference has to be, that means for a particular operation, which sign should be given preference first, should be preferred first. Okay. So based on preference, some software has to be designed. Okay. Then those software can work either left to right or right to left, but they will operate on BODMAS operations. Okay, those rules operations, first bracket portions, then divisions, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, these rules has to be followed. It is universally acceptable by all scientists. We are engineer. Okay, but lots of scientists are there. They have accepted those things. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the
Sir,
doubt?
I have a doubt. Sir,
What is
is
the
it
doubt?
always, sir, it is true to say that always data goes from ALU to memory directly, not directly to ALU to output.
The thing is that we are not discussing the computer architecture in details. Okay. So that means you cannot compare the computer architecture of an Apple computer to a normal Lenovo computer. Those architecture may be same, but their operations may be different. That's why Apple is Apple. That's why if you purchase the Apple computer right now, after 20 years, there or 10 years, there may not be any degradation in performance. But after performing a Lenovo computer, after 5 years, the performance has been degraded. So depending, so operations, I am talking about basic, how it is performed. Okay, so there may be
Yes,
some
sir.
kind of whatever you are saying, that can be true in some system and that cannot be true in some system, depending on the designer, how to design a particular operation. Okay, so it depends
Yes,
on the
sir.
designer. We cannot say anything, but the basic thing is that from a general concept, if we give any input, control system use the control signal to use all those input signal and perform all those operation. If any intermediate data is generated, then the control system store those intermediate data in the memory location. After encountering all those instructions, then control unit send the signal and show the memory stored memory in the output portion. That is the basic. Okay, let's
Yes, sir.
move, because it is not computer architecture. We have lots of things in the basic thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a wastage of time. If we in the basic
Okay,
thing,
sir,
if we
move ahead.
discuss lots of things,
Thank you, sir.
it's okay. It's okay.
Sir, from memory it directly goes to output or
I
from
told
memory to
several
control then
times,
output.
control will give all those things. Na? You can see arrows are given. Control is controlling. Control unit is controlling all those parts. Without controlling control unit, we cannot solve any problem. Okay, you can see all the 4 arrows are there. Even if you
Sir,
observe,
how the
it is sufficient.
sir,
Okay.
how the data transfers from control to memory?
You can it is not the computer architecture class. We cannot discuss those things in details. First of all, it is simple instructions where we can, that means that means the class comes to normal instructions. You should mute your So it is a basic class where we should discuss the basic. Whose mic is on? Please mute your mic, na? I have muted, but still it is on. So some background noise is coming. Whenever you want to say, then you unmute, then you can discuss. Okay. So it is not a computer architecture class. Those who will come to computer science or electrical department or electronics and communication engineering, other topics are there. Digital circuit. Then you will learn microprocessor. Details will be taught. Okay, but we cannot discuss all those things here. It is basic electronics. We have other topics also. Let's move to next sections. It is already nearly 55. So in the things, it is a first example. Suppose in the time axis, it is time, it is given in hour, and we are recording all those temperature. So it is graph is given. Okay. Now the thing is that how many data points are there in this line? Infinite, because in a particular graph, if I say there is one point and there is another point, I can say no, there is another point here. No, there is another point here. No, there is another point here. So in this way, whatever you can imagine, I can zoom the portion. I can zoom this portion. I can imagine another point within that portion, zoom portion. So thing is that to store the analog data in this form, we need technically infinite. We need infinite number of memory location. Okay. So I am assuming for one memory location, needs 1 unit power. So infinite memory location, to store this data will need infinite unit power. And I am also assuming 1 unit power cost 1 rupees. Sorry, INR. So infinite unit power means infinite rupees. So there will be, that means if I am using infinite amount of memory or infinite amount of data, memory location to store the infinite data to store the analog data, so I need infinite amount of money. So it is a wastage. We cannot afford infinite amount of money. So instead of storing all the data, we are storing certain portion, and those portions are given over here. Some rules are there. Obviously, we have to follow those rules, and those rules will be taught later. So based on those rules, those data are taken. So, okay. So in the next slide, you see, I have given some point here. Then based on point, we have certain algorithm. We have certain algorithm. Based on those algorithm, those data point has been converted into 011 or 101 form, anyone 0111 or 0110 form. Okay. Then based on some certain algorithm, am I audible? Please respond. Please give response. Thank you. Now again unmute. Okay. Now based on certain algorithm, we have converted those data point. That means those data point into 0111 or 0110 form based on certain algorithm. Okay. Now after converting those algorithm, we have approximated this data. Now over this range it is same. Now similarly over this range it is same. Okay. Then based on that we can display all those unit. Okay, it is happening. Now the thing is that what happened in this figure, you can see it is again continuous. Initial figure is also continuous, but I told we cannot store the continuous data because we need infinite memory to save the memory location. That means to save the cost, we converted this infinite to finite memory location. Then we have converted those finite memory location to certain 01 number of combinations based on certain algorithm. We will talk after learning binary system. Then again we have reconverted into analog portions. Then those analog portions has been assumed as a continuous graph. Now this graph, you imagine this graph and this graph are more or less same. Okay, so we can sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt, but
Yes.
we have got our notification to join our biology meeting.
Okay. Yes. You can leave. There is no issue. Okay. Okay. Let's stop today. I have only 1 minute. Okay. Can you wait for 1 minute? Because
Yes,
the
sir.
Okay. Don't worry.
So,
Continue, sir. Continue.
Okay. So here we have finite. So now we can also see the same kind of data using finite location. So it is affordable. So it is cost effective. Okay. On the other hand, it is not cost effective because we need infinite memory location, means infinite money. Okay. So it is costly. Okay. So that's why using digital number system or using digital techniques, we can convert the analog signal to digital signal. How we will discuss in this form digital signals. Okay. Then again digital signal is reconverted to analog signal for storing purpose or for working purpose, and those data are being shown over here in different display. Okay. So let's stop today. Then again we will meet on Monday. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, chalo, bye bye.
Can you make the slides available?
Yes, you can leave.
Can you send the PDF of this?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please make the PDF available.